Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving right into managing tags in Trello, your key to organizing your Trello boards in the most efficient way possible. Let's kick things off by opening your Trello board. Now see the card where you want to add a tag. Click on it. This opens up the card back where all the details reside. The reason we do this is because this is where you can add, edit, or delete tags, also known as labels in Trello. Next up, look for the button that says Labels on the right-hand side. Click on it. This is where all your current labels are displayed. But what if you want to create a new label? See that Create a New Label button at the bottom? Click on it. Now you can give your label a name and choose a color for it. This helps us because different colors can represent different types of tasks, making it easier for you to differentiate your tasks at a glance. Now that we've done that, let's say you want to add this label to a card. You just need to click on the label and it'll be instantly added to your card. Let me explain why this matters. By adding tags to your Trello cards, you can easily categorize your tasks, filter your board, and navigate your workflow more smoothly. Let's move on to how to edit a label. Just hover over the label you wish to edit and click on the pencil icon. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello opens up an editing window where you can modify the name or color of the label. This is crucial because as your projects evolve, so too should your labels, ensuring your workflow remains efficient. Finally, what if you want to delete a label? It's just as easy. Open the editing window for the label you want to delete and click on Delete. This is important because it helps keep your Trello board clutter-free. And there you have it, a quick guide to managing tags in Trello. With these tips, you'll be able to make your Trello boards more effective and manageable. Remember, a well-organized Trello board is a productive Trello board. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy tagging.